Good morning, Andrews family. I don't know if you've looked outside yet, but it is crazy. I just went outside to take the dogs, and I've got snow all over me. It's crazy out there. We got like 4 or 5 inches. I can't believe it. Really? It's supposed to be spring, okay? We don't need any more snow. We had enough snow. It's time to move on to 70-degree weather, nice and sunny. All right? Well, in honor of the crazy weather that we have here in Michigan, I thought I'd read a nonfiction book today, an informational book about the weather. All right? Usually I read fiction stories, and those are a lot of fun, but when you want to get some information or you want to learn about something, informational books are the way to go. So, it is Friday. Before I start, I want to remind everybody that today on your assignment calendars, there's not math, there's not reading. Today, Fridays are dedicated towards specials. So I want you to spend extra time today going through the PE stuff, going through the art stuff, and the music stuff. Spend your time today enjoying those specials, okay? The specials teachers have spent a lot of time putting together fun activities for you guys to do. I know Miss Miller does workouts, okay? So if there's one of those today, make sure you jump on that. There are some PE challenges as well on the Friday calendar. So if you click on one of those, they're varied by different levels. So depending on what grade you are or how fit you think you are, you can challenge yourself based on what level you think you can do. So I hope you get some exercise today, even though it's snowy outside. I hope you do some art, and I hope you do some music. Okay, that's your challenge for today. All right, so this book's called Weather by National Geographic. It says, look up at the sky. The weather helps us know what to wear and to do and grow. It brings rain, wind, and sun. Let's go outside for some fun. Now, that's what it should look like outside. It doesn't. Peek out your window at the sky. Is it sunny or is it cloudy, rainy or windy? You are checking the weather. Weather is what it's like outside at one place at one time, but keep a lookout. Weather can change fast. Isn't that the truth? It was sunny yesterday. The sun warms the land, it warms the air and the water too. The sun's heat and light helps things grow. Plants and animals need sunshine to live. Sunny days are fun. You can play outside. Will you go to the park or ride a bike? The sun can make the air outside hot. You can cool off with a swim. That's what I'm going to do this summer. Go swimming. Clouds. Tiny water droplets float in the air. They group together and they make clouds of all shapes and sizes. White, fluffy clouds mean good weather. Flat, gray clouds bring rain. Some clouds are thin and wispy. They can look like curls of hair. These clouds float high in the sky. Thin, wispy clouds are called cirrus clouds. That's a good vocab word. Cirrus clouds, okay, are the clouds that are way up high and look like wisps of hair. All right. What comes from clouds? Drip drop, down comes the rain. Water droplets in clouds sometimes fall as rain. Rain falls in warm and cool weather. Rain helps plants and animals live. It fills rivers and ponds. Rain forms puddles on sidewalks. Splash! Brr, it's cold outside. Water droplets in clouds sometimes freeze. They can fall as hail or snow. All right, my cat messed this up again. If it's hail, you'll see ice. If it's snow, you might get a flurry. Often, a lot of snow could mean a snow day. You might want to go sledding today outside in your backyard. Lightning is a super hot stream of electricity. It lights up the sky. Flash! It zips from the cloud towards the ground. After lightning comes a boom. That sound is thunder. Have you ever seen a rainbow after a storm? Rainbows are made from sunlight and water droplets. Rainbows paint bright stripes of color in the sky: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Which color do you like best? Six ways weather is wild. Number one, sometimes water flows where it's usually dry. This is called a flood. Number two, hail is ice that rains from the sky. It can be small or it can be bigger than a baseball. Number three, a hurricane brings heavy rain and strong winds. Number four, very strong winds sometimes twist and they form a tornado. Number five, it's hard to see in a blizzard. And number six, sometimes it doesn't rain for a long time. This is called a drought. So you've got number one there, that's the flood. Sometimes we get that in Three Rivers in the spring when it rains a lot, since we're by the river. That's an example of some hail, some big size hail. Number three was a hurricane. Number four was a tornado. Number five was a blizzard. And number six is a drought. Wind is moving air. A light wind is called a breeze. A strong wind is called a gale. Wind has energy. It pushes clouds and rain across the sky. Wind can make kites dance. Now, if you've seen Frozen 2, when Elsa is going to try to find that river, I forget what it's called now, that wind spirit, Olaf calls her Gale, right? Well, gale is actually the name for a strong wind or breeze. So that's pretty clever, isn't it? That they use that in the story. Last chapter says weather and me. The weather helps you plan your day. Should you wear sunglasses or rain boots? Will you swim or throw snowballs? Wherever you go, weather is always with you. Now, look at these two pictures here. You got one of people swimming, and then the next one throwing snowballs and building a snowman. Well, what option do we have today? I don't think I'll be getting in my swimsuit. Okay, I think I'll probably be building a snowman. All right, friends. Well, that is the end of our nonfiction book. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. All right. Once again, I miss you all very much. Remember, the weekend's here, so thank you for working hard all week, listening to your parents, doing the work that your teachers are setting up for you. Have some fun today. Do some PE exercises. Do some art. Do some music. Have a fun day. Stay positive. Get outside. Play in the snow. I look forward to seeing you on Monday.